Okay, so me and Vinny decided to go for a little spin. It's his birthday. Little Vincent's now the big 10 years old. So we thought we'd just go for a little spin, cap the evening off. Jean's at Granny's house. And we thought, check out the new IKEA and maybe do a little superchargeable grocery shopping. And so we're checking out the brand new Oak Creek / Milwaukee IKEA. I don't believe it's even open yet. I think tomorrow actually might even be the grand opening. But, oh, wow, that is cool. 2 floors, wow. But check this out. And, whoops, I know Bjorn is always charging at IKEAs. And look at this. We got 1, 2, 3 Blink charging stations. Great. Why the heck do they have to go with Blink? I mean, really. Let's take a look. I mean, Blink really is the worst charging station company I've ever seen. Let's take a peek. Tap anywhere to begin. Blink starts here. Blink members, to begin, please hold your Blink in card to the reader. Not a member, charge as a Blink guest. To enjoy discounted charging fees. Well, how much are they charging? Charging fee is 49 cents per kilowatt hour. My gosh, are they freaking nuts? Wow. And to top it all off, the whole roof of this building is going to be covered in, if it's not already, I haven't been able to fly my drone over the building yet, but if it hasn't been done already, this whole building is supposed to be covered in solar panels. Rates. Let's see, Blink members. Doesn't tell us what the rates are. Well, I mean, at least they got them, but considering it's 49 cents a kilowatt hour, nobody is going to use these. Dang. Let's see, 30 amp station. It's probably going to be 208 volts because we're on a 3-phase split for commercial here. And they even have some leftover PVC. That's a joke. Unit number 2. Brand new. Wow, look at that. Probably only used on a test car. If even that, maybe even not even that. Got some Blink tags on there. Wow. So yeah, nobody is going to use these. Maybe if it was a Charimo station with a combo, maybe. But 49 cents a kilowatt hour. My God. I'm not even saying make it free. I mean, even if they made it the same cost for electric, I mean, you get people here to shop. People aren't going to just come here to charge. They're going to come here to go inside and go shopping, right? Yes. Because literally, the freeway is literally right there. Literally, the freeway is about 20 meters, 100 feet roughly from the end of the parking lot. And on the other side of the freeway, to the left, about 1 mile away, is a free J1772 station. That is 30 amp, just like this, for free. If you go that way about a mile, let's take a peeky-boo here. And yes, my battery is low. Vinny's birthday, we've done a lot of driving. Look at that. Look at it. Okay, you guys can't see that. Raise the display light. There we go. Now we can see it. See that? 1.6 miles, 3 minutes. We're here. Freeway's there. That is a Tesla Supercharger right there. Yeah. Tesla Supercharger with restaurants and a grocery store, Starbucks, doctor's office, everything right there. Google Maps is a little outdated, but yeah, everything's right there. Zoom out. Okay, so 49 cents a kilowatt hour. That's even more than Tesla Supercharger. Okay, so that's there. If we go right here, It's about 1.6 miles too. That is MATC University. You can go into their cafeteria while charging for free. You go over here to Mitchell International Airport, which is about 2.5 miles away. Yeah, you got to pay to park. But right here, there's a Clarion Hotel. $2 to start charging, and then it's like 10 cents a kilowatt hour or something like that, or $2 an hour. Whatever it is, it's not free, but it's really cheap. Free charging inside the parking structure at General Mitchell Airport, I believe. And then we go over here. Where are we? We're there. Now we go over here, 27th Street. You got a bunch of car dealers with free charging there. You got here we go, 27th Street. Right there is AAA's Wisconsin headquarters with free J1772s. 49 cents a kilowatt hour. So I got 3 stations that are never ever going to be used. I'm hoping that is just a default and a pricing error, because that is absolutely nuts. So they got 1, 2 stations. They're not even Charimo. They could have contacted Nissan and got a subsidized Charimo combo station. 3, plenty of handicap parking. Yeah, let's just keep going here. Take a look. No, I don't have my seatbelt on. I guess I got one hand on the camera. But, my gosh, really, IKEA? Feels kind of weird being out here at night by myself. Not really. Handicap. Looks like a twig inside a car. So I'm guessing that's hybrid car park. Yes, I know, Vinny. Hybrid car parking. It's gotta be. And they got a lot of it. Holy crap, look at that. Look at that. In case you get lost and can't remember where you parked your car, the lanes are lettered. Yeah. So I got lots of efficient car parking. At least that's what I think it is. This is Wisconsin. Not a single person is going to abide by those. Yeah. I'm hoping those were just guest rates. But yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, IKEA. That was it's kind of like a slap in the face. I don't know what the rates generally are in Europe. Bjorn, can you comment on this, please? Because I know you love Charimo charging at IKEAs. This is going to be my first IKEA I've ever been to, so I have absolutely no idea what to really expect. But from what I hear, the stores, and I gotta close this window because they got music playing and there's nobody here even. The stores are amazing, but their shopping carts suck. Yeah, 3 times zoom is the best my phone's got right now. Okay, we're gonna go supercharge because we got 6 miles range left in my passenger side door handle. Just started making crunching noises, and so is my suspension. Great, out of warranty.